Alright guys, you see how I lined this with the bacon, right? Isn't that just spectacular? Now let's see what we can do with some beef. I might try something a little different here than what the recipe showed, just because I venture out into left field, and you should also, if you so desire. But let's mush this down in here. Mush it, I say. Mush, mush. Let's have a little bit more. Alright, that's not gonna work the way I was picturing it. That's how it is with food. Just mush it all together. The girl don't like her food to be touching each other, but I guess in this kind of meal she's gonna be alright with it, right? No. I mean, if you don't like your food touching each other, it's like you don't want your mashed potatoes touching your peas. If you're one of them kind of people, I can kind of understand that. But how do you eat stew? Is that all right if it all touches each other? What do you think, girl? Give me your input.
I don't know nothing.
You don't know nothing about nothing. All right. So now we're gonna come over here and slice up these onions. All right, people, there is the outcome. What do you think about that? Now, if we can entice the girl into setting the stove for us again, you know we don't know how. I
figured out how to do it.
You did?
What do you set it at?
350. 350 is probably
turn the generator on manual.
the most universal setting for something or other.
For the
Ovens?
oven?
Probably. Look at the girl's new shirt. She went and got a. And
That's my cold shirt. It's what I say, 48?
Yeah.
And raining?
I said, but it would look better if it was my shirt that's laying on my floor beside the bed. And she poked me in the eye.
350?
Yeah.
For how long?
45 minutes.
Okay, put it in there.
You know this is gonna make a mess in the oven.
Well, with all that bacon, did it not say anything about taking it out in midway and draining it?
No, it didn't. But I'm gonna do it.
Greasy.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drain it halfway through because I don't trust the YouTubes. All right, we'll get back to you later.
My eyes are burning.
It's the onion. She loves onion. Good morning, good people.
You should tell the bad people good morning too.
Good morning, you bastards too. I hope you're having a good day.
I call them bad people.
Well, we know. Anyway, I'm making up a good meal today. This is another one of them internet meals that I looked at and I seen, oh my gosh, I gotta have it.
Let's hope it's good.
Let's hope it's better than the last one. It could all go south though, because remember, I'm cooking it. The girl, she just don't cook, you know. But what we got, we're gonna have some bacon, and we're gonna wrap our pan in bacon. We're gonna smush some ground beef into it. We're gonna put some veggies in there. In this case, we're gonna put a green pepper and an onion. I might put a little tomato slices in there too, just for fun. We're gonna cover it all with cheese. We're gonna fold our bacon in. It's gonna be a meat pie in a way, and it's gonna be awesome. It's not gonna be round, so it might be funky, but we're gonna eat it anyway.
Hi, blackberry cobblers. Call it a cobbler instead of a pie. Blackberry cobblers aren't round.
We're having a meat cobbler. What have I discovered so far is that the 350 isn't hot enough for this, at least not in a convection oven. And the 45 minutes, we're already close to 40 minutes, and we're not anywhere near done. But I definitely had to drain some grease off of it. No one talked about that in the previous video. Guess they just showed you the happy moments. So let's stick it back in the oven and see where it goes. Okay, folks, this is what it came out to be.
You tell them it was more than 45 minutes?
Yes, ma'am. It's 2 hours to cook this in a convection oven. They said 45. It took 2 hours. And it's a lot more than I was anticipating. I mean, this is a huge amount of food. So don't make the whole recipe unless you're really hungry. Because like I'm looking at 4 meals here out of this pretty easily. So let's see how it comes out. There you go. Let's move over to the table for a taste tester. What do you think? What y'all been hunched over for?
I'm looking inside of it. I think that you might want to put the bacon on the bottom and brown it just a little bit.
Yeah.
It needs salt, but so far my one bite was good.
All right. There you have it, guys. The creation of the day. Try it at your own risks. Thank you.